What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hillbilly Homestead, the worst homestead on YouTube, where I try stuff and it's silly and probably shouldn't work. If you like that stuff, subscribe. But today we are going to be taking you to the Ozarks Homesteading Expo. This had a lot of heavy hitters this year, predominantly Mr. Joel Salatin, the man who started most of the permaculture stuff. Way back in the day, one of the OG members, but man, he was swamped all directions. We had someone that was all over the place. We started off Friday with a live hog processing, showed you how to ethically harvest the hog, kill it, and then did all of the processing, and that was awesome. But there were also vendors and stuff everywhere. Later in the afternoon, we had Bo Brown come. It was a blast. And then, of course, followed by capstone everything was Joel Salatin about salad bar beef. If you are in the area, check this out. This guy right here. Look. Man, that guy drove 14 hours from New Mexico to come to this event because Joel was going to be there, amongst other things. This was a lot of fun. If you have never been to a homesteading expo in your local area, try to take time to go. It's full of tons of like-minded people that are out there just having a blast, and people are so passionate. All right, we had foraging. We had a lot of cool stuff because I'm from the Ozarks. So learning about people that are teaching about things that are around me directly apply was super fun. The vendors were almost all local vendors, and they had a lot of cool stuff. A lot of discounts happened only at that event. That, you know, I think Bison Pumps was one. You can kind of see their website right now. All stainless steel, American construction, super cool stuff. They had some kind of discount that was going only for that event. Normally there are a few grand for this pump, so that was super cool. Then the next day we had chicken processing from Joel Salatin. Of course, you know, he has all kinds of videos all over YouTube with that, but man, one of the experts coming there. You had people talk about family milk cows. You had off-grid solar applications. You had homesteading tax deductions, fermenting things for your health. This was a wealth of knowledge, and I wish I could have attended every single one. And again, guys, the link is below in the description. I had an absolute blast this year. Again, last year, of course, we had White House on the Hill. You check that video out about my different homesteading expert, the different homesteading things that I sat and talked to. Cannot wait till the one next year. It's getting better and better every year. Guys, if you want me to go to more homesteading expos and bring what they have to teach back to you and feature it on the channel, let me know down in the comments below. And please do one thing, don't like or subscribe. If you got value from this, please share this with someone that you know, maybe they had FOMO, maybe they want to go. If you got some value of this, share it with someone. These days, guys, someone can just be behind the computer keyboard, boop, in California, poof, my channel never existed. Algorithm has no idea I was there, but you can help us bypass all of that by skipping all of the algorithm stuff and sharing it directly. Guys, hope to see you next time. Remember, get out there and grow something. Get to it. Yeah! Bum, ba, da, ba, bum, 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 ba, da, ba, bum, 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 ba, da, ba, bum, 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 ba, ba, da.